So I just returned home from a 3,700-mile trip in my car, and probably 3,000 of that was by myself, and I wanted to show you how I survived. So while I was driving by myself, I have a car diffuser. This is one that was a promo one from doTERRA a while back, but that you can get other ones that fit in your cup holder. This one plugs into, has a little USB adapter that you can plug into your cigarette lighter or a USB port in your car, and then you just fill it to the line here. That's the max line, and add some essential oils. So the essential oils I used were wild orange and peppermint. These two together open your airways, are bright and uplifting, and they kind of give you a boost of energy anytime during the day, and they help to keep me awake. It's pretty simple. Have a diffuser that can fit in your car, doTERRA does have one. It's called a Pilot. Comes in this lovely little case, and it's basically the size of a soda can, so it fits in your cup holder. This one has a little charger port in here, so you can charge it, but it is battery operated, and you don't have to deal with the USB port, although you can use it if you like. And it has just a little place in there to fill the oils, little spout here for it to come out, and you can have your handy little carrying case. You can take this with you anywhere when you're traveling. Take it into your hotel room, so you can put some breathe in it or some serenity to sleep. Very handy. So these are available through doTERRA right now, so quite a nice option, and you can put any oils in. I also have in my car this little clip that has just a little it's a little felt pad in here. And I will sometimes, if it's just a short trip, I'll add just a drop of something that I like that gives me an uplifting scent. I have some citrus bloom in here that I usually use in here that I really like. So traveling is doable with essential oils, and they actually do help with the entire process, whether it's dealing with anxious feelings, the sore achy muscles, helping you rest, helping you stay awake. Essential oils work for all sorts of things. If you found value in this, click like and subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.